Another DFW homeowner just got their sprinkler system tuned by Bell Services, and the results are night and day. We inspected every zone, adjusted spray patterns, fixed hidden leaks, and made sure their lawn gets the perfect amount of water, exactly where it's needed. A well-maintained sprinkler system means no more dry spots, no more overwatering, and lower water bills every month. At Bell Services, we're all about smart, reliable service that protects your landscape and saves you money. We've helped hundreds of DFW homeowners keep their yards green and their systems running strong. Call us today at 469-689-0359 to schedule your sprinkler service with the pros at Bell Services.